We're here in Manila with the great legendary champion Manny Pacquiao, Sean Gibbons. Many surprises to come, and we will fully support all your efforts.
It's going to be a big event.
That's why Manny decided to come back and give it a try. But even then, you know, Barrios is young, but hopefully, you know, he gets in great shape. Maybe he gets a really good nutritionist or somebody that's going to help. It might be sad to see Manny back in the ring. That's what I'm thinking.
Yeah, I agree, Robert.
Manny Pacquiao pinag-iingat sa upakan kay Mario Barrios. Mula sa alamat hanggang sa kapwa alamat, ipinabot ni Oscar De La Hoya ng United States ang mabuting hangarin. Pero isang pag-iingat din kay Manny Pacquiao sa planong muling pagbabalik sa boxing sa Hulyo. Hahamunin ng 46 anyos na Pinoy ring icon, si World Boxing Council welterweight champion American Mario Barrios. Isang makabuluhan pero mapanganib na hakbang pagkatapos ng mahigit 3 taong pagre-retiro. Kilala ni De La Hoya na ipinadala ni Pacquiao sa pagre-retiro sa pamamagitan ng dominanting knockout win noong Desyembre 2008 na mapanganib ang kinakaharap ngayon ng kanyang dating karibal. I wish him all the best. Pahayag ni De La Hoya sa seconds.out.com nitong Martes. Obviously the truth is the truth. He's obviously not the same Pacquiao that fight me, that fought the greats. I wish him the best. Parehong ibibigay ni Pacquiao ang pagkadihado sa edad at taas sa laban, kung saan ang 29 na taong gulang na si Barrios ay nakatayo ng 6 na talampakan ng taas, mas mataas sa alamat ng Pinoy. Inamin ni De La Hoya na malamang nahawak pa rin ni Pacquiao ang kanyang trademark na kapangyarihan sa pagsuntok, pero iginiit ang mga panganib sa pagharap sa isang mas bata, mas mataas na kalaban. I'm sure he still has that power, so anything can happen, but yeah, just be careful. Naplanchado na umano ang backpack ang Pacquiao at Barrios sa Hulyo. Sinabi pa ni Sulaiman na binigyan ng basbas ng Nevada State Athletic Commission ang Filipino boxing legend na muling lumaban sa kanilang estado. Walang pagtuturito si Santos, nasabik na ring makalaban ang kanyang alaga, ang tubong Kibawi Bukid known South Fu. Believe me, I'd like nothing more for this fight to happen. I tried to make it happen for a year, asking Shane Gibbons if he was coming back to do the fight. So until they announce it officially, and even then, until we're actually in the ring, it's not a done deal. My understanding is he's only focused on May 12, which I believe is his Senate race, Explicari Santos. Susubukang makalikha ng panibagong record ang 46 anyos na tinaguri ang pambansang kamao para muling lumaban sa world title fight at burahin ang kanyang naunang tala na oldest boxer na nagwagi ng korona sa 147 pound na divisyon noong Hulyo 20, 2019 laban kay Kate one-time tournament para sa World Boxing Association Super Welterweight belt sa MGM Grand Arena sa Las Vegas, Nevada.
Manny Pacquiao! Nice. How was it?